There she go.
He didn't.
Oh! He fell off. What up, everybody? My name is Stan Smith from Eye Sharp Canine, and you have seen these pups grow up right before your eyes, and it's been a great process. So we've had the little wobbly boards, we had the little jumps in there for them, and today I decided I was going to build basically an amusement park for them. So there's going to be stairs, there's going to be a platform, and then there's going to be a ramp. And this is things that they are all going to go over on the course of their lives, because they're going to go into being personal protection dogs. They're going to do obstacle courses and things like that. So we want to see how early they can understand this. So we're going to put food up at the top and just see who's motivated. And we're not going to rush them. We're not going to push them too hard. We're just going to see where they're at right now. So we're going to go outside and finish building it up. We're putting some grip tape on there to help them grip and move. It's just going to be a cool process, people. So you guys come on. Alright, so we're adding some grip tape here. Trying to get the corners. Bruce is like, is that for me? That's not for you, buddy. You got the big obstacle courses outside.
Ooh, that was a good strike.
It was a good strike.
Yeah.
So it's going to be fun. My guess is the white male, he's going to be the first one to go to the top. But the way puppies work, it's probably going to be a little blackie. He going to be like, I want to stay with you. I want to stay. So we're going to get this contraption
Little
finished.
Blackie, my favorite.
He's your favorite?
Yeah.
Well,
A little Blackie, I think he's gonna win though.
you think he's going to win?
Yeah.
You want to make a bet? All right, I bet you 25 push-ups the white male beats the black male.
Oh.
All right, check on it. Hey, see, y'all seen this, right? So when she doesn't do them 25 push-ups, y'all gonna know.
I think my pick is gonna win. No! Your pick never wins.
So this is gonna be hilarious. I think this is longer than the pin that we have for the puppies. Oh, let's see. Let's go see. I think it might fit, but just barely. It's gonna be a tight fit for these puppies in this. Let's see what happens. Alright, they going crazy. They over there. But we got it cleaned up, so we're gonna see if the contraption fits.
Let's see if we can put the contraption in the thing, because I don't know if we can.
You don't know if
Daddy,
it's gonna
give
fit?
them chili peppers. I'm just kidding.
No chili peppers.
I was just kidding. Hey, bro!
So, like I thought, it was too long, so we had to trim off about a foot. Let's try again. Alright, so we had to trim it down like we thought. We had to cut about a foot off. And now we're going to see which pup is going to get to the top and get the food first. Oh, Journey. He looks like he might be the first one. I may be doing the push-ups. Come on, pups. Come on. Come on, pups. Uh-oh, we're gonna be doing push-ups. Oh, look like you're doing push-ups, Journey. Look like you got 25 push-ups to do. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, my favorite's going.
Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Come on.
He's trying to help her.
That boy, pup.
Daddy,
Come on,
he's trying to help my favorite.
He said, I'm gonna go this way. He said, I'm gonna go this way. Come on, Mama. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, come on. Come on, fat girl. Come on, Mama. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. There it is. There it is. Good job, pup. Good job, pup. So they can get more space. Put them right in the middle.
He fell.
Come on, let's go. Up. Yes. Come on, pups. Come on, Blackie. Come on, pup. Yeah, pup. Yeah, there she go. Look at the muscles. I know you up here already. You up here. You the champ today. There she go.
He didn't.
Oh! Oh! He fell off. He fell off. Yeah, come on, mamas.
my family's gonna win.
No, mine, he already went up to the top. Come on, Black.
I can do 25 push-ups.
Come on. Good. Good boy. Good boy.
This is going back and forth.
Oops. She fell. Come on, whoops. Come on, little puppy. Come on, little puppy. Come, 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 come. Yeah. Let's see. You're gonna go this way then. Come on, Mama. There you go. Come on. Let's go up. There you go. I like it. I love it. I love it. There you go, Blackie. He said, I just want to go up to A-frame. I just want to go up to A-frame. That's a good boy.
I hear the cracking.
Good.
I did 25 push-ups.
You did them already?
Mm-hmm.
We should have got them on video.
No.
This is what we want
Do
to
I,
see.
do I have to do it again?
This is what we want to see, folks.
Want me to do it again?
Hold on, you gotta wait.
Okay.
Alright, cut it. You build your confidence in the puppies early. We want them not being worried about anything. We want them going up and downstairs, using that back end, figuring out their brains. Yeah. Got the ramp on the other side, same concept. He's a fat boy, he's fat man. He's fat, he's starting eating food. And of course they're gonna chew on shit. They are puppies. I like how they're growing up and developing though. Yeah, pup. Pretty boy. And they're gonna start learning about themselves. He's gonna gain confidence.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Papa?
He's a good pup. He said I'm okay.
But no whining, no whimpering. Get right back up.
Right back up and ready to work again. Right back up and ready to work again.
Daddy, he's trying to play with her tail.
There she go, puppies. Yeah, pup. Yeah. Yeah, pup. Yeah, pup. Yeah, pup. Oh, what you gonna do over there? What you doing over there?